Hi, I'm Alex with Trade Internet. Today, we'll review the easy 2-minute setup process of our 5G Mega Internet Kit. When you receive your rental package, open the box. Remove the case. And set aside the box to reuse for your return shipment. Find an open, unobstructed location to set up your kit. A shelf or tabletop will work great. Just don't put it inside a metal cabinet or next to any large metal objects that could interfere with the wireless signals. Open the case by unlocking 2 latches, one on each side of the handle. Inside, you will find a return shipping label. You can attach it to the shipping box now so that it doesn't go missing later. A quick start guide, a quality control card that will let you know the last time we tested your equipment, and a paper clip. Most importantly, you will find our TVU router with the attached MikroTik router. Position the antennas on the TVU router so that they're all pointing up. A larger access point, along with mesh access points if you chose to order them, and Ethernet cables. Plug the power adapter cable into a standard electrical outlet. Press the power button on the black TVU router. The button will turn solid blue. Wait about 1 minute for SIM 1, 2, and 3 lights to turn either solid or flashing, indicating internet connectivity. When the light on the access point turns solid blue, open your device's Wi-Fi utility, select the network name printed on the quick start guide, and type in the password. For hardwired connections, connect the network cable to any of the 2 yellow LAN ports on the MikroTik router. Connect the other side of the cable to the Ethernet port on your device. You can connect up to 2 devices in this manner. If you experience slow speeds, less than 20 megabytes per second, or have any other support issues, please call us at 866-385-1504, option number 3. Our support team has remote access to our routers, and they will be able to make any configuration changes to optimize your experience. Good luck with your event, and please continue watching to see the striking process. To return your rental equipment, turn off the TVU router by pressing the power button. Unplug the router from the electrical outlet. Place the network cables, power adapter, and the quick start guide back into the case. Close and lock the latches. Put the case back into your cardboard shipping box. Place the return shipping label on top, and then close and seal the box. And now it's ready to ship. You can drop off the box at any FedEx retail location. Many hotels and convention centers now have a FedEx store on property. Otherwise, you can call FedEx at 800-463-3339 to schedule a FedEx ground pickup from your home or office. We recommend you don't leave the package at your hotel's front desk or with any other third party, since many returns have been delayed or lost this way. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and contact us if you have any internet or Wi-Fi needs for your next event.